Peace, God's blessing be on you all. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So I visit my friend's house and I look at the lovely birds. The name of these birds is lovebirds. The bird is excellent, and this one, the female one, and this one, the male one. They are really nice couple. So you see, the bird always royal to the what do you call it, pasangannya. So the bird is enjoy time with this camera and make a beautiful sound. Can see. So I am here with them. Alright, birds, how are you? Are you alright like me? I'm fine. Come on. Okay, we sing song. We sing so beautifully. Look, there is female one, and this one this male one, that one the female one. So come on, it count here. Come on, come on. Wow, you clean it for you your feather. You clean your feather. It 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 count. This one. Drink water. Not yet. You are not understand. We're not hungry. Come on, let's. Wow. The male one very aggressive. The male one slow. Wow. Wow, they are flying. They are flying. Hello. You are beautiful birds. I am a handsome man. You must say my song, Lord. Huh? Wow. Look at. Don't afraid, don't scare. I'm a good person, you know. You could cap us. You are good cappers.